Hello friends, this is Yasir and today our topic is about models. There are two types of models in React Native. One is predefined model and one we get from React NPM. And in this video, we are gonna work on NPM model. So open Google Chrome and write here React Native model NPM. Open first link and install this dependency in Visual Studio Code. I copied it here and paste it here. So our package is installed successfully. We can see that from this file package.json. So here is our dependency. Version of our dependency is 11.5.6. Now go to our code. This is our code which we have done in our previous project. Simply read all the code. Let's run. This is enough. Now add a dependency named model from React Native model. Then first of all simply create a button. Button title is title open model. Here is a button. Save it and create the structure of model. For model simply I write model open and close, and in this model I had to give a style for this model. Simply I give inline styling, so I write here style is equal to double curly braces and I give model width column suppose 90% and height would be 300 or 500. Radius, border radius is 15%, and background color colon yellow. Okay, and inside a model I given a text. This is model of React Native, and I also give here a button for close that model. Simply a button. Give it a title. Title is equal to close model. Okay, save this In this project, we only give a structure of model and the main view. We don't give a functionality on this button and also in this button. Simply run our app and React Native, run Android. Wait a while. So our app is running successfully with a button, and inside the button a description occurred, open model. This button don't have any functionality yet. So add a functionality. For functionality, first of all, I add a state. State is equal to curly braces, or is model visible? We write it visible, false. This state helps us to decide the initial value of is model visible, and in our initial condition the model value is false, and we have to create a function here named toggle model, and here I add an arrow function. In my upcoming videos I'll tell you about what are the arrow function and what is the difference between simple function and arrow function. Anyhow, now I have to call this state from here, from this function. For this purpose I use this operator dot set state. Set state is used to update anything inside the state. So set state and a bracket. Inside this bracket I have to add curly braces and call this variable. So I write here is model visible colon negation sign this dot state dot is visible. That is it from here. Basically this sign word as a negation. For example, if this is true then it change it into false, and if it is false then it change it into true. Now come to our button and simply call that state from here. Okay, simply write here on press is equal to curly braces this dot toggle model. Okay, I add this function from here, and in model I simply write is visible is equal to curly braces this dot state dot is model visible. Okay, that is enough for this. Now run this command, simply control save, and let's check it out. Okay, I click the button open model, and here is our model. This is model of React Native. I have to set it out. Simply set the height into 300. This is not working. Okay, cut from here. I give styling inside the model. Simply create a view here, view, and give styling here, and also paste this two lines into this view. Here is it. Control save, and again press the button, and here we go. If you want to align this into center, then simply add here align item colon center. Everything is centered inside the model. If you want to align the model in the center, margin equal to 10. Okay, let's give this view also style. Simply add flex one here and background color is pink. Save it, and again I press the button, open model, and here is our model. And when I press the close button, close model button, nothing happened because I don't add functionality in this button. For that, simply I added here on press is equal to this dot toggle model. Save this, and again I have to press this button, and yes, this is working. Okay, this is working because of this function. This is basically a negation function that helps us when our value is true, then it change it into false, and if it is false, then it change it into true. If you want to add anything inside the model and outside the model, you also modify it. Simply if you are trying to add something outside the model, then simply add here, like I write text here, very good. You can see after the button this is shown, and if you want to add something inside the model, then you also add this here. Simply I have text, very nice. Save it, and when I click the button, very nice is shown. Okay guys, thank you for today's video.